Okay, lights are lit.
Okay, launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know. What?
You want me to
You
push
want
the
to?
button while you're
Want to?
taking the picture?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you give me the countdown.
Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is it?
Right there. Coming right at us. Coming right at us. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
boy.
gonna stand here and catch it.
Oh, I see it.
How about that, huh? Enough.
Okay, well, we have it anyway.
Oh, there's some ash coming down. Part of something fell. That's your wadding, huh?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Part of the wadding.
Wow. This is what wadding looks like. It's all charred.
It smells good.
Oh yeah, it does.
Ooh, cool.
Well, the fins are intact. Oh, look at this chute. Didn't even get tangled up this time.
No, because we backed it the right way.
I know. That
You
helps.
follow the instructions out, it helps, huh?
I know.
Want to light the last one, or you want to save it for the other rocket?
All personnel, clear the launch platform.
All personnel, clear launch platform.
Launch control, this is Space Venture. Radio is on. Roger. LV standby.